Welcome to From Zero to Hero, Tactics of Amazon Success Stories, the podcast that explores the inspiring journeys of Amazon sellers who have turned their dreams into reality. In this episode, we'll uncover the tactics and strategies employed by successful Amazon entrepreneurs, providing you with valuable insights to kickstart your own journey to success. The journey begins. Let's start by diving into the beginnings of our Amazon success stories. Identifying opportunities. Successful sellers often begin by identifying gaps or opportunities in the market that align with their passions and expertise. Taking the leap. They take the leap into entrepreneurship, overcoming challenges and embracing the journey with determination and resilience. Strategies for success. Now, let's explore the key strategies that propelled these sellers to success. Product differentiation. Successful sellers differentiate their products through unique features, branding, or value propositions, setting them apart from competitors. Market research. They conduct thorough market research to understand customer needs, identify trends, and validate product ideas before launch. Optimized listings. They optimize their Amazon listings with compelling titles, detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords to attract and convert customers. Building a brand building. A strong brand is essential for long-term success. Brand identity. Successful sellers cultivate a strong brand identity that resonates with their target audience, fostering trust and loyalty. Customer experience. They prioritize customer experience, providing exceptional service, prompt communication, and hassle-free returns to delight customers and build loyalty. Marketing and promotion. Effective marketing strategies are key to driving visibility and sales. Amazon advertising. Successful sellers leverage Amazon advertising to promote their products, target relevant keywords, and increase visibility within the marketplace. Social media. Marketing. They use social media platforms to engage with their audience, showcase products, and drive traffic to their Amazon listings. Adaptation and growth. Adaptability and continuous improvement are hallmarks of success. Monitoring trends. Successful sellers stay informed about industry trends, consumer preferences, and changes in the Amazon ecosystem, adapting their strategies accordingly. Scaling operations. As their businesses grow, they invest in scaling operations, optimizing processes, and expanding product lines to meet demand and capitalize on new opportunities. As we conclude this episode of From Zero to Hero, Tactics of Amazon Success Stories, remember that success on Amazon is not achieved overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. By implementing the tactics and strategies shared by our success stories, you too can embark on your journey from zero to hero in the world of Amazon entrepreneurship. Thank you for tuning in, and stay inspired on your path to success. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.